Hello, Mabuhay. Thank you for calling Granditos Restaurant. This is Ken. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to book table reserve.
I will be happy to assist you with your reserve. May I have your name, please?
My name is Kendall Simendes.
May I have your number, sir?
That's 0935425724.
And would you like to book your reservation, Sir Mendez?
Tomorrow, January 28, 2025 at 6 p.m.
A table for how many persons, sir?
Table for 4 person, please.
Let, let me check first if your chosen date and time are available. Thank you for waiting, sir. I'm happy to tell you that we still have an available table for your preferred date and time. Do you have any special request, sir?
Can you please prepare a bouquet of flower?
Problem. How would you like to settle your bill, sir? Are you going to use cash or credit card?
Credit card payment, please.
Sir, just to confirm your reservation, table 4 under the name of Kindaral Mendez with a contact number 0935425724 on January 28, 2025, 6 p.m. You request a bouquet of flower. You prefer to pay using credit card.
That's correct.
Is there anything that I might assist you with?
That will be all. Thanks.
Thank you for having business with us. Have a nice day.